Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. For today, as you can see, we're going to unbox a package that came all the way from Chengdu, China. These items came from the Bronson Manufacturing Company. As you know, I had my experience last year ordering two items from the same company last November, and I received the two items, after 2.5 months. So I promised myself not to order anymore from this company because the travel time or the shipping time is very long. However, in their last advertisement, I saw some items that I need to have. I gave them another chance and I ordered these items. And surprisingly, it took me 3 weeks for this item to arrive here in Metro Manila in my pickup point through the Johnny Air Cargo at SM Mega Mall. So it took this package from Chengdu to Shanghai all the way to Commerce, California, 2 weeks. And then from Commerce, it was delivered to my Johnny Air Cargo at Daly City near San Francisco, and Johnny Air Cargo sent it to Manila, and it took only 3 weeks. Very good. They improved on their shipping capability. So we're going to open it. I got 4 items. First item is a wabash shirt. You'll see, and then have a fitting later on. Total price of this package is more than about $100. And in this Bronson Manufacturing Company, they give free shipping for a total purchase of $99. So I think I only paid for this items a total of $110. So that's good. So I got a free shipping. This is the first, the wabash shirt, long sleeves, and we're going to have a fitting later on. The next one is a reproduction of a very nice shirt. It's a long sleeve, medium. Stripes, ecru and black. I have here a red Henley shirt, which is also in medium. Nice. Very red. And a low quill black shirt. We'll see if it is really low quill. Yeah. It does not have any seam on the side. Briefly, I would like to conduct a product review of this black low quill from Nonstock. The fabric is very thick. It's really nice. Very thick. And sure, it is low quill without any seam on the sides. And I'm very satisfied with this product. It says USA 100%. This Henley short sleeve is also very thick, and it is from the Bronson. It's size medium, The neckline is ribbed. Of course, the hem of the sleeve is also ribbed. It's not a loop wheel, but it is nice. The thickness of the fabric is okay, nice. As for layering, this is very thick. The hem of the sleeve is ribbed. The neckline is ribbed also. It's nice. The fabric is very soft. It looks like it is already a sweater. If you're wearing this here in the Philippines, it looks like you're wearing a sweater already. Okay. Last is this Wabas long sleeve shirt. And it is advertised as it has some holes at the back. It has holes on the armpit portion, 3 holes. And it is a work shirt style, and you have those cat-eye buttons all the way, and this is size 38 or medium, because in the description it says that the sizes in the shirts runs small, and I read the reviews of those who bought this shirt, and they said that you have to size up. Nice buttons. I think the thickness of this fabric is about 9 ounces per square yard. So we're going to have it fitted to myself. By the way, if you're wondering how much I paid for the shipping from San Francisco or Daly City to the Philippines via the Johnny Air Cargo Plus, I paid only 1,450 pesos. My parcel is intact, and it was a very fast and reliable, efficient delivery of these items to my pickup point at SM Mega Mall. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, please write your comments down below. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye!